airplane. Jane here, and I am so excited about today's video. It is all about what I'm thankful for. My birthday is tomorrow and I cannot wait. You know, I want to talk about what I'm really thankful for, where I personally can improve, because I definitely have faults, and what my goals are for the next year. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells so you guys can get awesome videos like this. So tomorrow, I turn the big 4-3. I will be 43. I am a Leo. I like to be in the spotlight, as you guys can tell, but more importantly, I'm super loyal. I'm loyal to people like you, my fans, my students. I really am super thankful for finding my passion in life, being able to go ahead and really help people to change their lives for the better. People like you that put in the time and energy, using all the tips and tools that I put in my trading videos, all my motivational videos to help keep you on track, because life is not easy. And when you have people that lift you up, it can really help you see the light and the bright side of life. That's something else I'm really thankful for, always waking up and being able to go ahead and see the positivity in the world. It comes from my kids, seeing their joy and happiness as well in everything that they do. And some of the areas I really think I could improve upon, well, sometimes my temper with the kids. Sometimes they can be, oh my goodness, they love me so much that they pile on top of me. And this kind of gets me to the point where I'm like, whoa, 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 I need some space. You've invaded my personal space, literally, like just give me a little bit of time. And sometimes that crying and nagging, the motto in our house is whining gets you nothing, manners gets you everything. So working on that with the kids, I know they just want to be loved in this quarantine time. It can be tough, right? So going through quarantine still here in Canada, it is tough because it's hard to get out and do lots of things with their friends. They just want to play, they just want to be loved, and trying to find fun activities like that for them. Also could improve on fitting that physical fitness in. I try to go ahead and get it in throughout the week, but while the kids are home now with quarantine, it is a little tough. I'm not gonna lie, I am an active person, but getting all that activity in all the time can be a little bit more difficult. So what are my goals for the year to come? Well, you guys heard it in the recent video. I am looking forward to launching my hot sauce, which should be coming up very soon. And I'm also looking forward to hosting the Modern Trader Summit 2021 in Philadelphia. Given that this pandemic is over for the most part, I would love to see you there in person. And I'd love to also help more people learn about the dark pools in the trading world. So if you are interested, come on over to the trading pit at thedarkpools.com. I teach there twice a week, and it's an amazing thing to learn about the dark pools because you get to see what the really big hedge fund people are trading, because you can see it in the trades that are printed as a receipt for their trade. So we just follow it on the tails of these really big guys. And what else? I would love to do more travel. Obviously right now, everything is sort of on hold. I'd love to be able to take my daughter to Disney next summer to go ahead and celebrate her birthday. She's also a fellow Leo. And I think that's pretty much it. That's really the big goals. So really being able to go ahead and help others learn about the trading world with the dark pools. Hot sauce, physical activity, want to see that improve. So if you guys have anything else, please put it in the comments below that you think that I might need to improve upon, because I am open to constructive criticism. I think it really helps. And check out my next video that I have coming up, all about if you're feeling that darkness in life, that negativity, It's okay. You can change it, but it will take some time. All right, Carpe Profit. See you next time. Have a great day.